Learn French with a French master in 4 months. This is lesson 2. I published lesson 1 yesterday, which is on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook page. So go watch it. In this lesson, we are going to focus on alphabets, sounds, and how to combine alphabet to make the right sounds. This is going to help you read French fluently and also to speak good French. For instance, in English, you say Paris, but in French, you say Paris. In French, the S is not pronounced. That consonant is not pronounced. So there are some rules or things you need to do, or some mistakes not to make. So we are going to focus on those things rather than the alphabets themselves. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Learning French is fun. Bring your dreams near. From bonjour to merci.
Bonjour, je m'appelle The French Master DH.
Now come and learn the way. Simple words to speak. Hear the language flow. Step by step we teach. Feel your knowledge grow.
FrenchMasterGH.com.
Learn French the easy way.
In French, vowels is les voyelles, voyelles. I have some of them here. The first one here is A, A, A. And this one is E. And this sound is not in English. E, E, E. We have A, we have E. And this one is E, E. The I in English. In French is E. And you have O, which is the same as in English. O. And you have U, U, U. This one too is not in English. So A, E, I, O, U. So les voyelles. So these are vowels, right? We have some special characters. We have a lot of them. The first one here is A, as in baby, baby, a baby. A. We have E when the accent is like this. E, as in la tête. Oh, un élève, okay? Un élève, élève, Ève. You also have this one, it's also E, okay? It's like a cap on it. So E, example, la tête, the head, la tête, la tête. So you have E, okay? A, E, I, O, U, right? We have E, and E. Okay, very good. Also, we have the silent consonants. Silent consonants, what I mean by that is that these are consonants that when they end any word in French, okay, in 99% of the, or 98% of the cases, they are not pronounced. Like the example I gave in my intro, I said Paris. Okay, in English you say Paris. But in French, it's also written Paris, like the Paris in English, but it's pronounced Paris. The S is not pronounced. So these consonants that are the silent consonants are M, okay, M, N, P, T, and S. Okay, like in English, M, N, P, T, S. Okay, M, N, P, T, S. Let's see some examples. Okay, I'll give you examples so that you understand this very well. It's very simple. Good. In M, example, le parfum. Le parfum. I didn't say le parfum. I didn't say le parfum. So when you are reading, you see this consonant ending a word. Don't pronounce it. Okay, le parfum, a perfume. Okay. Let's go to N. Le salon. You can see N at the end of salon. But I didn't say le salon. No. It's a consonant that ends the word. I'm not saying a vowel. When there is an E added to this N, it will change the sound. The N will be pronounced. Okay? Until you add an E, okay, E to that consonant, it will not be pronounced. Right? So on a le salon, le balcon. Okay, un bidon, a gallon. So you can't say un bidon, no. Okay, another one is P, which is pay. When you see a consonant in French, when you see a word, when you see a word in French that ends with the consonant P, it's mostly not pronounced. Like beaucoup, merci beaucoup. Okay, merci beaucoup, beaucoup. Beaucoup, it ends with P. You can't say beaucoup. No. Champ, a femme. Okay, it ends with P. Le champ. Papa va au champ. Okay, mon père va au champ. My father is going to the farm. Okay, so champ, you say champ with P here at the end, but the P is not pronounced. You can't say champ. No. The next one is S. Okay, like in our example, Paris. You can't say Paris. You are not speaking French. That's a different language. Paris. Ba. That is down. Okay, ba. It ends with S. But when there is an E, a vowel E that adds to it, that's where you say baz. Now it's different. I'm talking about the consonant alone ending the word. So ba. We have vous. We have ti or te. Okay, te, we have le haricot. You can't say le haricot. No. Un tricot. Le haricot is beans. Un tricot, a shirt. Okay, un tricot. You can't say un tricot. Salut. Okay, so I didn't say salute. Okay, it's salut. So don't read this saying salute in any text. We are two. You can't say toot. Until you see an E here, you can't pronounce the T, right? So if it's only the T, this consonant, that ends the word, like tout le monde. Okay? Good. So the silent consonants are M, N, P, S, T, right? We also have nasals, which is very, 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 very important. Okay, these nasals can confuse you sometimes, right? Let's see how it goes. I'm not going to focus on all of them because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so the nasals, let's see the first one here. Okay, let's see the first one here. The first one here is we have This one too is on. This one is en. Okay, let me explain. The an, okay, this combination is en combination is also em combination is also okay. On combination is om is on. In is en. And im is also en. Let's see some example. This with an. Example, anticipate. This word, anticipate. Anticipate. Okay? The en. Entendre, to listen. Let's use this one too. Emprunter. We go to the on now. The on, we have on, as in ils ont, they have. Okay? Om, we have ombre, which is shadow. Okay? Let's go to un. Intentionnel or intentionnellement. Or intentionnel. Un. The im, okay, em is also un. And today's lesson, we learned les voyelles. We have A, E, I, O, U. We learned special characters. E, E. We also learned that we have silent consonants in French. When they end the word, they are not pronounced. They are M, N, P, P, S. And we gave examples. We also learned some nasal sounds. Nasal sounds like on, eh. Okay, so what you need to do for me now is to write in the comment section some words, okay, that ends with the silent consonants. Okay, give me as many examples as possible. Okay, and some other words that come with these nasals. Example, I gave anticipate for an. Give me examples of these nasals in French. And until then, I see you in lesson 3. Merci beaucoup. Je vous aime. Bisous, bisous.